Welcome to Day 8 of 50 Skills in 50 Days Challenge. We are officially in the 2026 edition. Today, we're diving headfirst into an incredibly lucrative skill, and the best part, you can learn it with literally zero upfront financial investment. We're talking about becoming a social media manager. So whether you're looking to totally pivot your career, spin up a profitable side hustle, or maybe just understand how modern brands actually build their audiences, this explainer is packed with the latest updated research. We're going to map out exactly how you can build this high-demand career from the ground up. So here's our roadmap for today. 1. The social media manager role. 2. 8 free certification courses. 3. 8 platforms for jobs. And 4. Your journey starts now. Okay. Let's put this into perspective for a second. $44,000 plus. That is the average base salary you can earn as an entry-level social media manager. Crazy, right? It perfectly proves the tangible value of this highly in-demand skill. You aren't just posting pictures online for fun anymore. You're stepping into a measurable, highly valued career path where your direct actions literally generate revenue for businesses. And obviously, as you gain experience and specialize, that earning potential scales up significantly. Section 1. The social media manager role. Turning engagement into results. So what does a social media manager actually do? Well, the absolute foundation of your daily workflow will be content creation and scheduling. Now, this isn't just posting randomly, okay? It means building a brand's presence through intentional, super engaging content. You're mapping out content calendars weeks in advance, writing copy that perfectly captures the brand's unique voice, and strategically timing exactly when those posts go live across platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn to maximize visibility. Consistency is basically the currency of the internet, and you are the one controlling the mint. But beyond the creative side, there's the analytical side of the job. You have to turn those likes, shares, and comments into actual, real business results. And you'll do this by diving deep into analytics and performance reporting, tracking exactly what works, what completely falls flat, and most importantly, why. Stakeholders don't just want to know if a post went viral, they want to know the return on investment. You'll be that crucial bridge translating social metrics into actionable business intelligence. You'll also frequently take the reins on paid ad campaigns management. Because, let's face it, organic reach is really only half the battle. You're out there amplifying the brand's voice by deploying paid strategies, ensuring every single advertising dollar is optimized. This involves A/B testing different ad creatives, targeting highly specific audience demographics, and meticulously managing daily budgets to boost reach and drive direct, measurable conversions. At the end of the day, you are the human voice of the brand. You're constantly fostering community and driving daily audience engagement. It's really about having meaningful conversations, quickly answering customer service inquiries, and managing the brand's reputation in real time. Making the audience feel truly heard? That is exactly how you transform casual passing scrollers into fiercely loyal brand advocates. And all of these distinct tasks, they seamlessly build up to your ultimate goal, driving high-level brand strategy and ensuring sustainable, long-term growth. When you master the content creation, decode those analytics, optimize the ad spend, and nurture the community, you create this incredible upward trajectory. That constant momentum and growth is exactly what every business is paying you to deliver. Section 2. 8 free certification courses. Zero-cost platforms to learn. Let's start with the industry giants, because having these specific names on your resume is a massive advantage. First, you can grab an incredible IAB-accredited certificate from Google Digital Garage. They have a rigorous 40-hour fundamentals course covering social media, SEO, and ad strategy, and that certification is valid for life. Next up is SEMrush Academy, offering a hands-on, expert-led crash course that focuses heavily on the intersection of social media and search visibility. They even give you up to 3 attempts to pass their free exam. Then, we have Hootsuite Academy. This is an absolute industry standard, providing 45 deep-dive video tutorials on publishing efficiency, engagement tactics, and complex analytics. And finally, there's Meta Blueprint. This is literally the absolute best platform-specific training available anywhere online, giving you official, free badges directly from Facebook and Instagram to prove your technical competence.
Next up are the aggregators and flexible guided learning platforms. These are absolutely perfect if you need to learn at your own pace. The Oxford Home Study Center is fantastic because it's a completely self-paced, tutor-supported short course. There are zero strict deadlines and absolutely no entry requirements, making it incredibly accessible if you're, say, working a full-time job. Then there's Class Central, which is this massive one-stop discovery hub that seamlessly aggregates over 100 free courses from top-tier places like Skillshare, Coursera, and Udemy. You can also leverage Career Foundry. They provide highly curated study paths specifically designed to link beginners to the best accredited courses without all the overwhelm. And lastly, Buffer's Free Learning Hub offers courses curated by their own internal experts. They bypass all the fluff and focus deeply on evergreen strategy, content creation frameworks, and long-term audience growth.
Section 3. 8 platforms for jobs. Where to sell your skills.
Okay, so when you're just starting out, Contra is incredible. It operates on a zero-commission, portfolio-first model where you keep 100% of your earnings. This makes it an exceptionally powerful tool for beginners who need to build a visual reputation without losing a massive cut to platform fees. Compare that to We Work Remotely, which is a top-tier, dedicated remote job board. You can find highly targeted social media manager roles specifically in their sales and marketing section. The biggest advantage here is that there's significantly less friction and lower volume competition than you'd face on massive generalized sites like LinkedIn or Indeed. Now, if you want to own the entire social strategy at a fast-growing early-stage company, Wellfound, which you might know as formerly AngelList, is your go-to. It is heavily startup-focused and offers incredible transparency. You get upfront details regarding salaries and even equity offerings before you ever apply, which is vital for planning your career trajectory. Alternatively, People Per Hour gives you a UK-based freelance marketplace. This is actually a strategic backdoor for landing international clients. By focusing on a slightly different geographic market, you can bid on high-quality projects with notably lower competition than you'd find on a giant global site like Upwork. You can also leverage Guru.com. This platform is phenomenal because it boasts an incredibly low 2.9% invoice fee. Literally the absolute lowest of any major freelance marketplace. This allows you to scale your income efficiently while receiving daily job matches tailored exactly to the skills you just learned. Switch gears to Marketing Hire, and because it's a niche, marketing-only job board, you get much higher relevance. It exclusively lists roles for social media management, content creation, and digital marketing. It completely cuts out the noise of general job boards, making sure that every listing you see is directly aligned with your new skill set. Once you gain some solid experience and have a proven track record, TopTal becomes your target. This is an elite, highly vetted network that only accepts the top 3% of global talent. Once you pass their rigorous screening, you unlock access to premium roles paying anywhere from $60 to $200 an hour, working directly with thoroughly vetted corporate clients. And for highly informed career decisions, you use Glassdoor Jobs. It is the ultimate tool for remote role research because it provides vital employer transparency. You can see real, verified salaries, candid company reviews from former employees, and even specific interview questions before you ever hit that apply button.
Section 4. Your journey starts now. The playbook. Let's break all of this down into a highly actionable 3-step roadmap. Step 1. Start your education on either Google Digital Garage or Hootsuite Academy today. Pick one platform and firmly commit to the process. Step 2. Put in the hours, complete the modules, and secure that free, verifiable certificate to definitively prove your knowledge to prospective clients. Step 3. Take that newly minted certificate, build a basic visual portfolio of your practice work, and immediately begin pitching your services on Contra or We Work Remotely to secure your very first paying client.
The path is completely mapped out for you. The barrier to entry in this industry is literally just your own time, focus, and dedication. Everything we've covered today in this explainer, the training, the certifications, the job boards, it requires absolutely zero financial investment. With zero fees and zero excuses, what is actually stopping you from starting right now? Go grab that first certificate, and I will see you tomorrow